All right. It's 15. We are done, right? Data frame introduction. Are we done? I hope we done. Now the next one, loading the different files. And this is so called as a data frame attributes. Data frame what's the attributes? The next one, data frame methods actually. Okay. Today date is 15. I have changed it actually. Running notes, right? It's a running notes. Let's open material. Let us continue. Fine. Now, prior to this data frame, I have already explained about the series data structure. What data structure? The main motto for data structure is store the data, process the data. That's what we're doing, right? So when you're talking about the series, Daniel, these are all data structures. Okay. First one is a series. The next one is data frame. When you're talking about the series, sir, it can store single column format. What format? Single column. It will store just like a single column format actually. The next one, rows plus columns. Chaptara, rows plus what exactly? Columns actually. It will store the data in the form of rows and columns. In the form of what exactly? Then by this time you should know creating a data frame, right? So creating what's a data frame. So these are all ways even we have covered yesterday actually. To create a data frame means
by using
Daniel, data frame we have created. I kind of the first 2 point we have created empty data frame we created. What data frame, sir? Empty data frame. Second one we have created by using single list. Chapter, sir? Single list. Then yes, we got a data frame. We got what exactly mean? Data. Understand the scenarios. Understand the scenarios actually. I'm using nested list. Yeah, even we got a data frame. See, these are all ways to get a data frame. From here to this one is a KBHP location, KBHP. To go to the Amiripet, there are different ways would we have. Please understand. To create a data frame, these are all different ways. Different what, Sarji? Ways. The first one is called as a single list. We can use what exactly? Single list actually, right? My voice bounce back. We can even use nested list. And even we can use Chaptara, sir? Dictionary. Very good. Yeah, still we got a data frame, Daniel. Now today, let me tell you, client will give files. Client will give what, Sarji?
Files.
Right. Imagine if it is a file number 1. I mean to say, sir, we'll get a data frame. We'll get what, Sarji? Data frame. And even file number 2, we will again get what exactly? Data frame. Conclusion of the story. Once you joined in a company, this is the way to get a data frame. Client never give single list. Once you join in a company, your manager never give nested list. Your lead never give dictionary. Your lead or manager or client will give file. What is that? File. That file contains the data. That file contains what, Sarji? Data actually, right. If you load that file, we'll get a data frame. We'll get what, Sarji? Daniel, why data frame? Why data frame, you know? Once you get a data frame, you can apply lot of operations. You can apply what exactly, sir? Today I will show you how to apply actually. Guys, are you clear? Good. Conclusion of the story. Daniel, why file? So don't worry. Why file, Daniel? File enduku? Endukante generally companies used to store generally companies, take any company, used to store the data, the data in files. In what? In files format actually. In what format, man? Inside files they will store actually. These are all examples. Ivanni meeku examples. What are all these examples? CSV file. Yeah, we can store the data. What is the first one? CSV file examples. Cheppandi next one. Yeah, JSON file, Excel file. Ivanni kuda files untayi, right? So these are all examples. CSV file. The next one JSON file. The next one Excel file. Excel file actually TSV file. TSV means tab separated file. CSV means comma separated values. Team, you know what? We'll get a data frame. That's the beauty. You give any file to the pandas actually. Any file to the pandas, so data frame. Here also we'll get what exactly mean? Data frame. That's the beauty, sir. So in between who is here, this is called as a pandas. మనం ఎవరికి ఇస్తున్నాం అంటే pandas కి ఇస్తున్నాం. You give any file to the pandas will give return gift as a data frame. Daniel, I do have a CSV file. Can I give to the pandas? You can give. Pandas will give return gift actual. Return gift in the sense nowadays what happen, you can go for any function, marriage function, not marriage function. Recently I went to housewarming function. They have given return gift. They have given what, Saji? Return gift. Return gift in the sense, thanks for coming, take this gift actually. Same thing like that. Hey, pandas, take this CSV file. Pandas will take that CSV file. Pandas will return gift what exactly, sir? Make a note on this. You understand, I guess, right? Now, Daniel, can you please show few files? CSV file, JSON file, Excel file. Yeah, let me show you. You will get an idea. Very interesting. Today topic చాలా interesting ఉంటుంది. I take till, so as usual, till 10:45 or 10:50, make a note on this. There are few files I would like to show you. So first point, listen carefully. Let me delete this one and even let me delete this folder also since long I created, right? చాలా రోజుల క్రితం క్రియేట్ చేశాం కదా. It's okay. Let me create one folder. Folder name is a coding. What is the folder name? Coding. Same folder. Daniel, why you deleted? Why you created? Just for fun, sir. Now go to the data. Go to the folder. All files. Today, end of this session, kindly remind me. Session chivarlo gurcheyandi. Today onwards, daily till now daily, I have shared with you PDF. Next one. Thank God you remembered running notes. Third one also I need to share today actually. That is called as a files. CSV file I need to upload. JSON file I need to upload. These are all files also I need to upload actually. Guys, are you clear, sir? Yeah, good. Let me just try to open all files. Yeah, I would like to explain about the first one, sales1.csv file. Sales1.csv, sales1, Microsoft, separated file, separated values file actually. Copy this, you can copy this and paste in coding folder. Paste in which folder, Saji? Daniel, why? Follow the process. I will tell you later. Follow the process. Now, can I open CSV file? Yeah, you can open. The first file name is called as a CSV file. A kind of some CSV file. CSV file. The CSV full form is separated values. Chappan sir? Separated values. This is called as a CSV. Daniel, is it entire question? No, sir. But you should have heard. This entire question kaadu. Separated values. I will show you. Okay. Daniel, this is almost similar to Excel file. If you want, you can give a double click on this file. It opens like a Excel file. Excel file format lo open avutundi. Good man, very good. Just look at my screen. Very good. Yeah, seriously, very good. Excellent actually. Look at my screen. Yeah. Can you tell me the top one is called as a header part? Top one is called as a header. The first row actually. Right. In that header would have a name of the columns. Chappan sir? Name of the column. What is the first column name? Order ID. Think like this one is Amazon data set. Amazon company, so they have given one small data set actually. First one order ID. Next one customer name. Next one product name. Next one quantity. Interesting. Whenever you are buying any item, for every item or product, back end there is order ID. That company will generate actually. This one is order ID. The next one, there is a customer. What is the customer name? Chappan sir? Vero, right. What he bought actually? Come monitor he bought. What he bought, Saji? Monitor. How many he bought actually? 2. Why 2? One is for him, one is for his sister. Why we want actually? Manaku akkarledu. But how many he bought actually? 2. Make a note on this one. Next one, who bought the next item? Tarun. What he bought actually? Samsung. How many? 3 actually. Interesting. Like this, I mean to say row number 1, row number 2, row number 3, row number 4. If you count manually, go on case, go scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Oh my God. Total how many rows you know, Sarji? Okay, let me tell you. Here it displays like a 601. But 601 is not a total number of rows. Total number of rows are 600. Why 600? Yeah, header is not countable. What is not countable? Header is, sir. So you can just have to remove the header actually. Header మనం పక్కన పెడితే మిగిలిన ఇంకా ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి actually? Yeah, this you should not count actually. I hope I already told. Whenever you are counting the rows, you should not count the columns actually. You should not count what, Saji? Columns. Are you clear, sir? Then total how many number of rows? 600. Nice, very good, right? So Daniel, so the first file is called as the first file name is called as sales1.csv. Extension is 1.csv, right? And this is having total number of rows, total rows actually. Any rows unnao telusa? 600. I'm sorry. Total columns. 4 columns. 4 anna. Boss, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 columns actually. Now Daniel, why you are explaining? Why I am explaining, you know, sir? Let me drink water. You know, చిన్న అసైన్మెంట్ ఇస్తాను చూడండి. Let us take small requirement. That small requirement is ఒక చిన్న రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఏంటంటే everybody look at my screen. చూడండి, నా స్క్రీన్ వైపు చూడండి. This is from Amazon company. This is from which company? There is a column name is a quantity. There is a column name is a that quantity column having numerical value 2, 3, 1 like that actually. Now company requirement will be every end of the day they wanted to know what is the total quantity. Chappan sir, what is the total? If what is the total quantity is a question, imagine if no pandas actually, what we need to do, you know, Sarji? 2 plus 3, what is the result? 5. Chappan sir, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3. Sir, like this total, how many values I need to count actually? 600. It takes a lot of time. Notorious job actually. Think like the notorious and ఏంటంటే నర్రాలు వణికిపోతాయి. Think like this one is a 600. Think like, you know, 6 million values. How many values, man? It takes a lot of time. Then what we need to do is load this file in data frame. There is a one method name is a sum actually. Just to call that sum method, fraction of seconds will get output actually. That's the beauty. అది మనం చేయబోతున్నాం. Are you guys getting or not, sir? See, if you are counting manually, it takes a lot of time. Instead of that, dump this file into data frame. A file ni data frame lo store చేద్దాం. Then apply operations. Then operations are very easy actually. Are you clear, Sachi? Then first step what we need to understand, you know, how to load this file using pandas. This file using what, Sachi? Pandas. Let me cover that point actually. Operations you can see step by step. Can I continue? Yeah, let's move on. Let's delete this. Then close చేద్దాం చూడండి. Yeah. What is the total quantity? We need to count manually. If no pandas, then we need to count manually. If we know pandas,
then use.
Then, you know, so store or load file and apply some method. Wow. I will explain. Explain చేస్తాను చూడండి. Get ready. So the first point what we need to understand, you know, loading the file. Loading what, Sarji? Loading the files. Loading the files one by one file I will cover actually. Now I am repeating again. If anyone joined just now, please join it right then. Commit early. Session early running. That is a good habit actually. Yeah, good. Once you join in a company, not Naresh, once you join in a company, your manager and your lead definitely they will monitor at what time you are logging, at what time you are log out actually. ఎన్నింటికి వస్తున్నారు, ఎన్నింటికి వెళ్తున్నారు అనేది అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తారు. Then the discipline is really, I like punctuality. I like punctuality very well. Time to time. Session right time start చేయాలి. Company also same. You have to log in. If it is late, that's still okay. And 1 or 2 times it is okay. They will accept some personal emergency. Learn this subject later. కొన్ని ethics values ఉంటాయి. అంటే respect others. The next one will be punctuality. ఇవి చాలా నేర్చుకోవాలి. వన్స్ యూ జాయిన్ ఇన్ ఏ కంపెనీ డ్యూరింగ్ ద కేటీ అంటే ఏంటంటే కంపెనీ విల్ గివ్ ద ట్రైనింగ్. యూ షుడ్ నాట్ టాక్ ఈచ్ అదర్. మీలో మీరు మాట్లాడకూడదు. ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ టాకింగ్ ఈచ్ అదర్, మేనేజర్ విల్ గివ్ లెఫ్ట్ అండ్ రైట్ యాక్చువల్. So make a note, these are all discipline. You guys are very good and learning, but maintain punctuality also. It will be helpful for you. Daniel, we know these are all things since our childhood actually, but the problem is we are not following. That's still okay. Move on. We can load different files in pandas. Whenever you are loading the files, then pandas returns what, Sarji? Oh, pandas take this file. Pandas will give data frame. Pandas will give what, Sarji? Whenever we are loading the files, then pandas returns a data frame. Once after pandas is written, based on requirement, we can apply several operations. Several what, Sarji? Operations. Are you ready, sir? Good. Now these are all different files: CSV file, JSON file, Excel file, TSC file, table from web page. Very good. There is one website. Inside that website, there is a table. We are going to load the table from by using pandas actually. Quite interesting. Are you ready? Come on, let me explain. First discussion is a CSV file. What is the first one, Sarji? CSV file. This theory you can ignore. This theory pakkana pettandi. CSV file. Now the point will be, write a program to load CSV file. That is a program. నేను ఒక చిన్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్ రాసాను చూడండి. లెట్ మీ డిలీట్ దిస్ అగైన్. ఐఎమ్ డిలీటింగ్. ఎవ్రీబడి లుక్ ఎట్ మై. ఒకసారి చూడండి, నా స్క్రీన్ వైపు చూడండి. ఐ విల్ గివ్ ఇట్ అన్. లెట్ మీ డిలీట్ దిస్. ఓకే, అండ్ యా, ఓపెన్ నోట్ ప్యాడ్. Did I cover Notepad++? Okay, I will cover later. First I have a question. How to create a variable a equals to 10? This is the way to create a variable. We already know this example. Demo1.py. Go to the coding and you can save actually. And you can just try to run this program. You will get an CMD. Good. This is the, I have written a program to create an integer actually. Same thing like that, we need to write a program. Program to load CSV file. To load what exactly, man? CSV file in pandas. In what exactly, man? Pandas. Simple, sir. Trust me, just matter of one line actually. Just matter of what, Sarji? One line. Your Python topics, it will be helpful for you. Meeku Python topics ఖచ్చితంగా ఇక్కడ help అవుతుంది. Yeah, good. Now import pandas as PD. Pandas as what, Sarji? PD. Yeah, Daniel. This is the way. Think like a equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. Now how to create a series? S equals to PD dot series. Very nice, Daniel. We already know this one. I wanted to create data frame also. Cheppandi sir.
PD dot data frame.
Oh, you guys are very good, man. Baga practice చేస్తున్నట్టు ఉన్నారు actually. Yeah, good. Successfully cheppandi. Successfully have created series. Successfully have created data frame. Now df I can make it. This is the df1. df2 equals to, now here load CSV file. Load what file actually?
CSV file.
That program I'm going to write. I'm going to write actually, right? This one is a series. This one is a data frame. This data frame we have created by using what exactly, man? List actually. But no. I wanted to create a data frame by loading a CSV file. By loading what, Sarji? Just a matter of one function. I will tell you. Let me write that function. df equals to PD dot PD, sir. What exactly dot? There is a function name is a read underscore CSV. There is a function name is a read underscore CSV actually. Instead of this one, you need to specify the file name with extension. With what exactly, man? Extension, right? What is the file name? File name cheptara? Sales1 dot CSV. Sales1 dot what exactly, man? CSV. You know what? You got a data frame. వచ్చేస్తుంది మీకు సక్సెస్ఫుల్ గా. లెట్ మీ స్పెండ్ హియర్. ఇక్కడ కొంచెం సేపు స్పెండ్ చేద్దాం. df equals to read underscore CSV is a predefined function. First point, it is not a class. Daniel, how can you say it is not a class? Why? Because not started with capital letter తో స్టార్ట్ అవట్లేదు. If it is started with lower case having parenthesis, function. If it is lower case having parenthesis, function actual. Imagine, did you remember, మీకు క్వశ్చన్ గుర్తుందా? Go back to the module topic. Addition, multiplication is a module. Addition is the function. What is the function, man? Then we call that addition function. How we called, addition, multiplication, dot addition. Addition, multiplication, dot multiplication. Same thing like that. When I'm talking about the pandas, pandas is a package or module which contains, internally it contains classes, it even contains functions. It is even contains what, Sarji?
Functions.
Functions. మీకు అర్థమైందా? Right. Now I have a question. Can somebody tell what is the read underscore CSV? చెప్పాలి అందరూ. Function. One more time.
Function.
One more time. Good.
Function.
You guys are clear. Sir, can I ask you one question? Why assigning into variable? Very good, boss. See, function calling, you are assigning into variable.
Means object.
Yeah, written. What exactly, man?
Written.
Written actually, right? This function is returning data frame object. This function is returning what exactly?
Data frame object.
That's what you need to be understand. Function calling. Then don't ask what is function, what is a return keyword actually. You already know, I guess. Function, whenever you are calling this function returning data frame, that's what backend return statement we need to assign into variable. We need to assign into what, Sachi? Variable, right, good. Let me write this example. Let me run this example. Yeah, you do one thing. Where is your program location coding? Get that file also. Get that file also. Get that file. Copy here in the same location. Copy here in the same location. The next example I will show you. Imagine file is available in different folder. I will tell you. File is available in different drive also. I will tell you. First of all, let me explain. The program is and file name is both are available in same directory. Program name. What is my program name, sir? Demo1.py. What is my file name? Sales1.csv. Chapani? Sales1.csv. Extension మీకు కనిపించదు. Do you want to see the extension? There is a way. Yeah, good. So this one is a py file. This one is a py file. This one is, Microsoft CSV, comma separated value. ఇంకా మీకు చూడాలి అనుకుంటే, do you want to see extension? Give a right click. తెలుసా మీకు? Properties, and here you can see. ఇక్కడ మీకు కనిపిస్తుంది మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్ కామా సపరేటెడ్ వాల్యూస్ అని కనిపిస్తుంది. ఓకే, నౌ ఈవెన్ గో టు దిస్ ఫైల్ అండ్ ప్రాపర్టీస్, మీకు పైథాన్ ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ కనిపిస్తుంది. .py extension. .py. Okay, that's good practice, sir. Nice. We got data frame. Beautiful, sir. Beautiful, actually. What exactly we done, Here is a physical file. We have given this file to the pandas, and pandas is giving what exactly? Data frame. Pandas is giving. Then total how many rows actually? 600. By if more number of rows, what pandas will do, it will display top 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and dot means we have extra data, don't worry. And bottom 5 rows it will be displayed. And the bonus for us, what is the bonus? It will tell, Arey boss, you know what? Then I have observed actually total 600 rows and how many columns?
4 columns.
Beautiful, actually. This is seriously amazing. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? What is the first column name? Order ID. Next column name? Customer ID. Customer. Next one? Product. Next one? Quantity. The point is what you need to understand, Daniel, I joined in company. Manager have given CSV file. Then you need to use pandas to load that file. There is one function to load CSV file. Function name is called as a read underscore CSV. What is the function name? One more time. Yeah. Read underscore CSV is a name of the function. That function accept name of the file including extension. Whenever you are calling this function, you need to assign into variable. Why? Because backend return keyword. Backend what keyword? That's the connectivity. Python ki return type ki ee function ki unna connectivity ade. That's what you need to be understand. Imagine if a function having the return statement, that function calling we need to assign into variable. We are assigning, sir. We are assigning actually. Can I get a response from you? Very good, very good. underscore CSV is a predefined function. This function we should call by using pandas. This function will accept. We need to pass file name, pass or provide file name to this function. This function having return statement, చెప్పండి, we need to assign into, wow, such a beautiful man. File name ekkada search, we need to file name, we need to have 1 minute is a this function, you know, we can this function we should call by using pandas. We need to pass provide file name to this function. Yeah, good point, with extension to saha. Very nice. I hope you are clear. This one is a small little theory, key point about program, actually key points. Sudha Madhuri garu, we are doing, yeah, imagine there is a table in database who can load, actually we'll get a data frame. I'm covering that point end of this session, actually not end of this session, throughout the course. Can we also pass path, otherwise the file name? Yeah, Ajay Kumar garu, we are covering that example also. This example is, imagine as of now both files I have taken in the same directory. Both files I have taken in what directory? I mean same directory. And what I mean to say that is, now Daniel files location, programs location, files location specify చేస్తాను చూడండి. ప్రోగ్రామ్ లొకేషన్ ఎక్కడ ఉందో చెప్పమంటారా? Go back to here. This is the file location. One minute. Here is the program. Yeah, Daniel, here is the program location. Now at the same time, file location also. Can I specify the file location? File code ekkada undo cheppantara? Same copy paste, right? Ikkada nunchi ikkada varaku copy paste kada. Then what is the file name? Cheppandi. Sales1 dot. So that you will get a clarity. Why I am specifying like this? ఇలా నేను ఎందుకు స్పెసిఫై చేస్తానంటే, as of now program and file should be in same location, otherwise you will get error. Otherwise you will get what, Sajji? Are you clear? First of all, yeah. Now the next example will be, Daniel, this file is available in different folder. How to access? Who can access? Ajay garu, I will cover that example also. So good question, I will cover actually. So ensure, I hope you already know these are all. If you are little confused about these are all, you can ignore actually. You can ignore these are all. And I believe you already know this discussion. Desktop, there is a folder name is a coding. There is a folder name is a coding. What is the file name? Demo.c. What is the file name? Are you clear, Sachi? Yeah, move on. ఇప్పుడు ముందుకు వెళ్దాం. Important error, important point actually. What is that point, you know? While loading the file name should be match. Next one. While loading the file should exist.
Otherwise
ఈ టూ సినారియోలు ఏం జరుగుతుందో తెలుసా? Otherwise will get below error.
File not found error.
Below error. What is that error, you know, sir? File not found error. చెప్పండి సార్, one more time. File not found error. Let me repeat again. While loading the file, name should be match. Hold on. While loading the file should exist. File should what exactly mean? Exist. Otherwise, ఈ రెండు సినారియోలో if anything is not matching, file is not matching, otherwise file is not available in the current directory, will get error. We'll get what, Saji? Error. What is that error name, you know?
File
We'll do
not
one thing. Let's do R&D. Oh, punch చేద్దాం. Right. So here, right, correct file ఇవ్వాలంటే ప్రాబ్లం కానీ రాంగ్ ఫైల్ యూ కెన్ గివ్ ఎనీథింగ్ యాక్చువల్. ఏమా రైట్ సార్? లెట్ మీ జస్ట్ అయితే లోడ్ దిస్ వన్. దీన్ని లోడ్ చేస్తున్నాను చూడండి. Oh my god, you are getting such a big error. Error name is a file not found error. One more time. Did you remember a long back I covered module not found error? Almost same scenario. While it is loading, that file it is unable to recognize. Then the error name is a file not found error. Can I list out? Neen list out cheyamantara? Yeah, very good. Then go back.
already
Go
listed,
back
man.
here.
Already listed, man.
Oh, function. Yeah, I can list out, Sachi. I can list out. Errors ekkada, sir? Here it is actually. Then I hope you understand the order. ఒకసారి ఎర్రర్స్ ని చదువుదామా? ఆర్ యు రెడీ?
Syntax error,
Please
name
be
error,
active. First one, syntax error,
name error,
very nice. Make a note actually. Okay, good. I can list out, sir. I can list out. Kangaru padaddu. Let me take this example, and now let's take this one. File not found error. File not found error actually. Good. Get ready to understand. Are you clear, sir? మీకు ఇప్పుడు వరకు చెప్పిన అర్థమైందా? Now this is important actually. Important keynote. What is this keynote, you know? Daniel, what we are learning? Present మేము ఏమి నేర్చుకుంటున్నాం? What you are teaching actually? I am teaching pandas. I am teaching what, Sajid? Learning pandas means inside pandas would you have a classes. First class I already covered. What is the first class name? Series. Very nice. What is the next class? Data frame. Okay. Series having attributes. Chappan sir, series having attributes and series having. Very nice. And data frame having attributes. 1 minute. నాకు ఒక స్ట్రక్చర్ ఉంటుంది బ్రెయిన్ లో. Let me just try to implement the same. Pandas. It is having classes and it is having even functions. It is having even what, Saji? Functions actually. The first class name is called as a చెప్పండి series. Second class name is called as a data frame. Now function, one function just now I revealed actually. Any that function name read underscore CSV. Wow, that's what you need to be understand. అది ఆ స్ట్రక్చర్ రావాలి. Repeating again, pandas, class, function, class, series, class, data frame. Now series having what, Saji? Attributes, and series having what exactly? Methods. Now data frame having what exactly? Attributes. Next one, data frame also having what exactly? Method. This is nice structure, man. Nobody never explain like this. ఇలా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం చాలా కష్టం. మీకు ఇది చూస్తే ఆటోమేటిక్గా స్ట్రక్చర్ ఐడియా వచ్చాలి. One of the function name is read underscore CSV. What is the function name, sir? Are you clear, sir? Right. Now few more functions also we are discussing. Next function name is called as a read underscore JSON. Oh. Next function name is called as a read underscore Excel. Very nice. Next function name is a read underscore table. Like that. Anyway, we'll see. These are all things actually. Wow. These are all you need to be understand. One important point. This function backend having return statement. This function backend having what, Saji? Then function call you need to assign into variable. You need to assign into Daniel, why? Please don't ask why. ఎందుకని మీరు అడగొద్దు. Why? Because we already covered actually. We already what exactly, man? Covered actually. Can I get a response from you? Such a nice structure. Sir, I list out functions. Yeah. Top lo kuda raddam. We can write at top also. Though it is function, right? We should access by using pd dot. పర్లేదు, మీరు అప్డేట్ చేసుకోపోయినా పర్లేదు. మన రన్నింగ్ నోట్స్ లో పడి ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి df3 equals to like this. Okay, yeah, like this. Here is a file name. File 1, file 2, file 3. తిట్టుకుంటున్నారు కదా మీరు. Why? Because initially you have written directly function, now updated actually. It's okay. Same function name you can keep. Can you tell me the previously one student asked actually. What is that? What he asked, you know? Daniel, prove that. Daniel, can you please prove? read underscore CSV is a very nice question. Previously ఒక స్టూడెంట్ ఒక క్వశ్చన్ అడిగాడు. I like it. You are telling that is a function. Please prove it actually. Let me prove. Prove చేయమంటారా? Let me prove it actually. ఎలా ప్రూవ్ చేయాలో తెలుసా? Very simple man. Import pandas as PD. Import pandas as what search? PD. Now print off nobody never prove. ఇలా ఎవరు ప్రూవ్ చేయలేరు ఇంతవరకు. Yeah, CSV like this you can call. మీరు అలా కాల్ చేసి ఏం జరుగుతుందో తెలుసా? You will get output as a wow. It is what exactly man? Yeah, what is the function? That's what you need to be understand. Can I get a response from you? Yeah, read underscore CSV is the name of the function. That function is coming from where actually? Pandas. If anyone already know pandas, you don't know this step. ఎలా కూడా మనం ప్రూవ్ చేయొచ్చు అన్న విషయం మీకు తెలియదు. Sir, what happening nowadays? Let me tell you. Imagine there is one person. So there are two persons. There are person number 1, person number 2. So let me talk about the read underscore CSV. Few guys are pronouncing it is a function. Few guys are pronouncing it is a method actual. It is what exactly man? Method. I'm sorry for saying. Who is the valid actually? Can you tell me? Person 1. Person 1 actually. Sir, no, door knob chain. Sir. Online team, hold on. Let me even call to admin. Sir, గట్టి కొట్టండి సార్, గట్టి కొట్టండి. Admin is not picking my call actually. Wait for a while.
Nobody bro.
Let's move on. Oh, where am? Yeah. Let me explain actually. There are few guys. Like let us take a student number 1 and student number 2. Instead of person 1, person 2, let us take a student 1 and student 2 actually. Few guys that discussion will be whenever they are looking at the read underscore CSV. First student is telling function, second student is telling which one is the right actually? Definitely is Daniel student. You understand, I guess actually. I'm sorry. If any student is telling method, sir, how can you say method? Then method అని మీరు ఎలా అంటారు అసలు? Why? Because this is the proof that is a function. Best example. I am male. Can you call I am a female actually? Indirectly you are calling like that actually. If anybody is calling read underscore CSV is a method, I'm sorry for saying you are abusing actually. మాట్లాడకూడదని మాట్లాడుతున్నట్టు అంత మీనింగ్ ఉంది అందులో. Can I get a response from you? Yeah, that's what make a note on this one. I mean to say this one is valid and this one is what exactly man? Invalid actually. Please don't call like this. Ala call cheyaddu. I request you. Run the code. This is the way we can prove a function is a function. Okay. Let's move on. Padandy. You're right. That's what I have written. You're right, Sarji. Oh, you want here I'm missing? Make a note answer. Where are we? It's a right time. I need to walk through. Let me cover. Back to the session. First one. CSV file stands for comma separated values. A CSV file contains data like CSV I'm telling, right? CSV means sir, comma separated
Values.
Do you wanted to see that comma separation, format actually what we need to do, go to the file, give a right click, open with either notepad or notepad plus. Notepad lo open cheste ganaka em jarugutundo telusa. Let us open with notepad and here you can see the data meeku ee format lo kanipistundi. Okay. The first one is a header, order ID, comma, customer name, comma, product, comma. These are all comma separated values. comma separated. But generally we never ever open. ఇలా మనం open చేయం. But now you wanted to see, that's what I have opened actually. Did you understand, sir? If you wanted to see this file format, give a right click, open with notepad, and here you can see the format notation. A format notation మీరు అలా చూడొచ్చు. Easy, very easy. Let's move on. Good, Daniel, we understand. CSV stands for comma separated. Oh, values, what is missing? That's still okay. A CSV file contains data like a rows and columns. CSV file contains data like a
rows and columns.
Whenever we are loading the CSV file, then pandas returns data frame. Pandas written, right? We can load CSV file by using read_CSV function. Do you think it is method? I will cry. It is not a method actually. It is what exactly mean? Function. Yeah. Syntax. PD dot. What exactly mean? PD dot. ఒక క్వశ్చన్ చెప్తాను అక్కడ మీకు ఒక పాయింట్ అన్నా. దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ ఫంక్షన్స్. ఓకే. పైథాన్ ఫంక్షన్స్. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ పైథాన్, కాల్ దెమ్ డైరెక్ట్లీ. We can call directly. Print, type, range, next one import. You can call directly actually. But let me tell you, pandas function, please, you need to call pd.read_csv. pd dot what exactly mean? read_json. pd dot what exactly? read_excel. read_ what exactly mean? Excel. That's what you need to be understand. If it is from Python, you can call them directly. But if it is from pandas, make a note, pandas name we need to, alias name we need to use. That is the best. That is a protocol actually. What is the best practice? That is a protocol. Make ardhamayinda search. Can I get a response from you? Okay. Our running notes is well structured, man. Oka structure untundi man running notes. Okay. Move on. Yeah, very good, sir. Very good. I have a question for you. Why red color? Very good. Import pandas as a PD. df equals to pd.read_csv. Sales one dot what exactly mean? CSV we have loaded. You know, a diagram draw cheyamantara? Yeah, let me draw one small diagram. Such a beautiful diagram I will draw. Look at my screen. Yo, go back and open the code actually. df equals to pd.read_ చెప్పండి సార్ CSV, and here sales one dot. Imagine if file name is wrong. చెప్పట్లేదు ఏంటి అందరూ? Come on. Yeah, I will not leave you. Sales one. Sales what exactly? SEL. Yeah, sales kada. Sales one. Let me run the code. Indirectly what we done, you know, sir? The total physical file we are dumping into one object lo pedutunam తీసుకెళ్ళి. That's the beauty. అది ఇక్కడ beauty, right? Let us take the total object actually. Object information తీసుకుందాం. Okay, get this one. Such a beautiful man. Hope you hear. Such a big object actually. This is really beautiful, sir. Amazing actually. Now you need to understand, total data science we are playing with objects. We are playing with what, Sachi? See, you have given CSV file. Indirectly that CSV file, with that CSV file we are creating an object. We are dumping the total data into object actually. Daniel, why? If it is object, we can apply lot of operations. We can apply what, Sachi? So the point is here is something like a transformation from file to object. File not always will get a physical file. Manaki physical file vastadi. But we are programmers that take that physical file, dump into object actually, apply operations. Apply what, Saji? That is called as a transformation. This is the state number 1, state number 2, like that actually, right? So end of this session, remind me this kind of diagrams I can upload actually. Did I upload yesterday diagram? A data frame object. Kada? Yeah, we done this. Let's move on. Such a nice, seriously, this is very nice. While loading the file, name should be matched. Otherwise, File not found error. File not found error. What is the first person name? We have already seen, right? Virun. Next one, Tarun. What is the last one? Again Tarun. Here also Tarun. Here also what exactly? Tarun X. Yeah. Daniel, why? Is there any rule in Amazon? You have to buy only one item actually. If the tool is available, happy sir. You understand, I guess, right? There is no limitation, right? Tarun, he can buy any number of items. Any number of items actually. Make a note on this. Move to the next. Above program sales1.csv file exists in current directory. It should exist in current directory. Did you notice మీరు కూడా అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారా? Program loading the CSV file, name demo1.csv, new column I'm introducing, input file. Whenever you are running this example, you should have a file name is a make a note on this, okay? Otherwise we'll get a so file should exist in current directory, otherwise we'll get a file not found error. What error boss? File not found error. Let us load file from the folder in this case. Now we'll do one thing. Let me create one small folder. So inside that folder I can save our file actually. Then what we are going to do, we are going to load a file from the folder. File from what, Saji? Let us load actually. Load cheskundan chudandi. Okay? Yeah, Daniel, can you please move on actually? Sure. Imagine here if the file name is not existing, sales 123, it is not available. What is error, sir?
File not found.
Yeah, file not found error actually. Next example. Very good. We'll do one thing. Open cheddam. Right? Let me delete everything. This one also. Good. Create a folder. Folder name is coding. In front of you, I'm doing actually. Make a note on this one. Okay? Copy the file. Copy the file. Data analysis. Pandas. Sales one ekkundi. Copy. Please do one thing. Go to coding. Create one more file here. Create one more folder. You know how to create a folder, I guess. Go to the folder. My folder name I'm giving as a files. Files, right? Paste here actually. Okay, very good. Now I have a question. There is a CSV file. Where that CSV file we have saved actually? Inside coding, inside files. Tell me, sir. Inside coding, inside files. Good. Now let's do one thing. Let us just try to load that file. Uppudu aa file load chestundan chudandi. Let me write a code actually. Program rasanu chudandi. Let me write a code. Import. Chappandi sir. Pandas says pd. df equals to pd.read_csv. Now, what is the file? Now let me tell you. Sales1.csv. Can I tell you? This line. Whenever if you have written this line, always pandas will search this file in current directory. What is a current directory? Coding folder. What folder? But unfortunately this file is not available inside coding folder actually. We'll run run cheddam chudandi. Yeah, very good. Let me save this example. Demo1.py. As usual, inside coding only I wanted to save. Now I have a question for you. Please answer my question. Where is program actually? Program ekkudundi? Coding. Where is file actually? Files. Are you clear? Both are not in same directory. Both are in different directory. Now Daniel, can we run actually, sir? Whenever if you have written like this, pandas always search in current directory. What is a current directory? Coding. Now file is not available. What is expected output? Cheppandi andaru. Exactly. Perfect. We are getting file not found error. Then we need to cross verify. Oh, sales1.csv nijame kada, file ikkada ledu. Then open that code. Where it is available inside files, right? You can just try to come here. You can just try to type files / you can provide. We are telling to the pandas, hey pandas, you can search this sales1.csv file inside files. Files is in current directory. Files is in what? Files folder actually. Meeku ardham sir? Now let us run the code. Uppudu code run cheyandi. Let me run the code actually. We got an output. Adi. You understand, I guess. Meeku ardham anukuntunna. Can I get a response from you? Nice. Very simple, man. Easy. ఫైల్స్ లొకేషన్ కూడా కాపీ చేద్దాం చూడండి కదా, మీకు హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది. నాకు చెప్పాలి మీరు. కెన్ యూ ప్లీజ్ టెల్ మీ వెర్ ఇస్ అ ఫైల్స్ లొకేషన్? ఫైల్స్ లొకేషన్ చెప్పండి. డెమో ఎక్కడుంది? కోడింగ్. ఫైల్ ఎక్కడుంది? Yeah, make a note. Move on. Can I ask one more question? Where demo1.csv file is existing? Coding folder. Where sales1 is existing? Remember actually. Now Daniel, it's okay, we understand. Now loading the file from drive. Loading the file from what's such drive. A kind of some C drive, D drive. We have different drives, right? We'll do one thing. Delete everything again. Close this. Delete this one also. Now Daniel, do one thing. Go to the data analysis. Capture the file. File this one. Copy. Go to your computer. You know, right? Have you ever opened your computer? Yeah, there are some drives. The first one is a C drive. Next one is a D drive. Next one is a E drive, respectively. We'll do one thing. Instead of this D drive, let me copy the file. Already copy chestunnaru for old batch actually. Let me delete this. Let us open one more time. Cinema starts again. Go to this PC, D drive, copy actually. Copy. Yes, I have copied. Now I have a question. Where is my file is available? Inside D drive. Chappan sir. Which drive? Let us load this. Then load cheddam chudandi. First create a folder, Daniel. Folder create cheddama. Man, very easy. Coding is very easy if you are not sleeping during the session. One minute. Let me ask one thing. Let me hold the session for 1 minute actually. Hold the session for 1 minute. Okay. Did I miss anything? Did I miss anything, like, you know, especially I'm talking about PDFs or running notes. Did I miss anything actually? Miss? If I'm missing, do let me know. Why? Because, you know, if unfortunately if I forget to upload the file, then what you prepare? Unfortunately, if I forget to upload running notes actually, ఏదైనా ఒక రన్నింగ్ నోట్స్ కనుక నేను మిస్ అయితే దెన్ మీరు ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వడానికి ఉండదు కదా. దట్ టు జనరల్ ఐ యూస్ టు ఆస్క్ దిస్ వన్ ఎవ్రీ వీక్లీ వన్స్. వారానికి ఒకసారి నేను అడుగుతుంటాను. వై ఐ యూస్ టు ఆస్క్, యూనో, చెప్పంటారా స్టోరీ? ఇన్ ఫ్రమ్ వన్ ఓల్డ్ స్టూడెంట్, ప్రీవియస్ బ్యాచ్ and he is from north actually, that's still okay. I forget his name. Previous batch, there was one student. Unfortunately, the same thing like a 9 AM batch actually. I forget to upload only running notes actually. I forget to upload the running notes. That day it was my early login in the sense, you know, I need to log into my office early. Then in a very rush, I went away actually. Then I generally used to share my number. Did I share my number with you? Yeah, generally I used to share my number to the students actually. If anyone don't know, let me know, I can share my number. Sir, I went to office and exactly I got one message actually. Exactly at 11:30 AM I got a message. What is that message, you know? Daniel, seems to be you forget the file. You what exactly mean? Forget the file. Please upload actually. Please what exactly mean? Upload actually. Upload. Then I replied. Generally if it is I never respond over WhatsApp, but normal message ki normal text I can respond actually. I told, sorry boss, I will upload actually. I will upload. Then what is the next point, you know? For previous batch I do have my personal laptop. Now personal laptop lo session delivery chesevani, but nowadays this one is a Naresh Shetty laptop. My personal laptop lo chala content to material untadi. Anyway, the same delivery. I forget, and again 12:30 I got a message. Actually. That too he kept one thing. Reminder 1. Share the file. Share what exactly, man? File actually. Immediately I have seen reminder. I forget what is that reminder actually. Yeah, I have followed that same number actually. Seems to be, oh, this guy is remaining actually. Can you tell me how many reminder? 1 reminder. Sir, again I forget in the sense, due to my office work actually. Almost like this, I got a 2 to 3 reminders. At last message. What message I got, How many times I told you? Let me tell you actually. How many, see, that message itself is aggressive. How many times I told you? First send the file actually. First send what exactly? File. Sir, I literally got shocked. That's okay. Why? Because, he is literally waiting for practice actually. Then immediately I called to my wife. Why? Because I'm in office and I just tried to suggest it and I just tried to, explain how to load the file. My wife uploaded the file. Otherwise, he may come to my home actually. I'm sorry for kidding. I'm sorry. The point is, unfortunately, if I miss any running notes or PDF actually, let me know. Don't be aggressive actually. Okay? I'm sorry for getting this. Yeah, there are few students. For them, their career matter. Their career, what, Saji? I like it actually. Either session is done. Then next immediately practice actually. If they are missing practice, they can feel something. Am I right? Our running notes helping? Running notes బాగా help అవుతుంది, right? This is the pattern I used to. Ajay Kumar garu, left hand side what? Oh, very nice. I can cover that example also. నేను ఆ example cover చేస్తాను ఆగండి సార్. అజయ్ కుమార్ should be pd.read_csv. Such a beautiful question from Ajay. There are some very nice question. Let me answer this. దీనికి నేను ఆన్సర్ చేస్తాను చూడండి. Somebody try to answer. Sushma garu, nice, you tried actually. Nice, well tried. But object df1 equals to pd.dataframe. Pd dot what exactly, man? Data frame. Very good. This is again object. Now today I am telling df2 equals to pd dot what exactly? Yeah. Did you remember? Just recently, on an average 1 week back, I told one thing actually. Left hand side, what are all things are available? Those are all called as
Objects.
Objects actually. Make a note on this one. ఈ పాయింట్ మీరు గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి. ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు వాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ మీన్? వాల్యూస్. దట్స్ వాట్ యూ నీడ్ టు బి అండర్స్టాండ్. Either values or what exactly, this object stores the values.
Yeah.
This object stores the values actually, right? But anyway, make a note on this one. Left hand side, what are all things are available? D is object. S is object. df1 is object. df2 is object actually. Now a equals to 10, object. B equals to 1.23, object. C equals to in between 10, 20, 30, 40. This is object actually. This is what exactly mean? Object. Conclusion of this story. A function is capable. Listen carefully. Yeah, this one is object creation. We'll get object directly. And even this one is object creation. We'll get that directly. And here is a function. A function is capable to return object. To return what, Sarji? Make ardhamayinda? Conclusion of this story. I hope you already know. A function can return integer value. A function can return string value. At the same time, a function can return one object actual. Can return what, Saji? Make ardhamayinda, sir. Right? We'll discuss more in upcoming. Ajay garu, did you understand? No response? Let's move on. Maybe this is the story I need to delete. Okay. Anything, when I say anything, it can be integer, string, it can be object, anything actually. Make a note on this. But still, if you need more explanation, same question remind me. If you need more and more explanation, remain same question. డ్యూరింగ్ సో మెథడ్స్ ఇన్ డేటా ఫ్రేమ్ క్లాస్ అప్పుడు మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి కవర్ చేస్తాను మెథడ్స్ ఇన్ డేటా ఫ్రేమ్. వై? బికాస్ దెర్ ఇస్ ఎ స్మాల్ ఇంటర్లింక్ యాక్చువల్ data frame class. All good, we are good to go. Where are we, Sarji? So seems to be till now what I explained, imagine there is a CSV file which is available in current directory we have loaded actually. There is a CSV file which is available in files folder. What folder? I explain how to load. Now it's a right time, let me explain how to load a file from the drive. From what, Sarji? Which drive? Where I copied actually? D drive kada. Let me copy this. Very simple, sir. Easy. Code నేను రాయలేదంక. Import pandas SPD.
Import pandas SPD. There is my pen, ma'am. So how are the instrument?
First of all, write as usual.
Yeah.
Save this. Demo1.py. Sir, slowly by slowly typing కూడా మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి. Yeah, what is error? File not found error. Why? Why? Because where is the file actually? D drive. But in current drive it is not available. Then what we need to do, go to the drive. మీరు ఈ పాత్ని కాపీ చేసుకోవాలి. ఈ పాత్ని కాపీ చేసుకోవాలి. Take that path. You can just have to include. ఇక్కడ మీరు ఇంక్లూడ్ చేస్తే సరిపోద్ది. Like that we need to. D // D column. What is a D? Drive. Drive actual. Right. Let me run this code. Nice. We got an output actually. Can I get a response from you? Right. Now let's take this code. Loading file from drive. Loading file from D drive. D drive actually. D drive. Then location కూడా కాపీ చేద్దామా? Can I take the paths also? Files location మీకు హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది. Then you do it actually. This file is available in so and so drive. Wow, this is seriously beautiful, man. Our running notes, frankly speaking, it will be helpful a lot actually. I have a question. Where demo1 file is available? Can you tell me inside coding folder? Where sales1 is available? D drive. That's what you need to be understand. Simply copy paste చేసేసి code run చేయొద్దు. Make a note where I need to save this file, where I need to save this file. Program is always in same location, sir. What is the location? Coding folder. But the file, sometimes it is in current directory, it is in drive, it is in what exactly? Folder. Okay? I believe you understand actually. The next 10 minutes discussion is important. Next 10 minutes discussion is very, very important actually. Please be focused. I request your attention actually. Generally, I'm facing this issue. What issue, For my all previous batches, I used to upload PDFs, running notes. Then today I need to upload what exactly means CSV file. I need to upload. If I uploaded the file like a file, if I upload in a Google Drive, Google Classroom, as it is like a file actually, I'm observing file is corrupting actually. File corrupt avutundi. Then what I'm doing, I'm creating a zip file. I'm creating what, Sarji? Then you should know what is a zip file. And I used to upload. Then what we need to do? Download a zip file. Extract, very good. Then get the file actually. Let me show you the process. Is it okay? Process చూపించమంటారా? Yeah, let me show you. నేను అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను చూడండి. Why? Because previous batch many students suffered actually. ఫైల్ నేను అప్లోడ్ చేసేసాను, ఆ ఫైల్ కరెక్ట్ అయిపోయింది త్రూ ఆన్లైన్. First, let me upload as usual. Today, anyway, I need to upload, right? నేను అప్లోడ్ చేయాలి కదా. Let me upload it. Sorry, I should not share my password. చూడండి, look at my screen everybody. to load as usual. Go to the create and material. Session is not at over, sir. This is the part of session. ఇది సెషన్ ఒక పార్ట్ వెళ్ళిపోద్ది ఎవరు కూడా. ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ యూ, అయిపోయింది సెషన్ అని లేసి వెళ్ళిపోవద్దు. Previously 6, now material 7, loading the file. I have loaded as usual. I hope you already know this. Let me keep heading, title, and even here also let me maintain. It should match in 3 locations. 3 locations lo match avali. 1, 2, 3 matching. Then I'm in right direction. Follow the process. Then you never do the mistake. Process nu follow aithe mistake cheyaru. Go back to the running notes. Go back to what search running note. Ekkada morning kada 9 AM. Running notes inka session 10:40. It's okay. Imagine I have uploaded these running notes. Go to the last. I have uploaded the running notes. Do you think it is over actual? Cheppandi. No, file I need to upload. What I need to upload? File. Then we'll do one thing. Get that file. ఫైల్ ని యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అప్లోడ్ చేస్తుంటే ఫైల్ కరప్ట్ అవుతుందండి. దెన్ నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నాను అంటే గో టు డేటా అనాలిసిస్, గో టు ద ఆల్ ఫైల్స్. ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఫైల్ ని సపరేట్ గా తీసుకుని కాపీ, I would like to create a all files. ఒక ఫోల్డర్ క్రియేట్ చేసి let me copy inside of this one. As of now today only one file, right? Now let me create a zip file, and I'm planning to upload this zip folder. Are you clear, Sachi? Now you can just try to come here. You can upload all files. Sure, sir. Right? Posted actually. Posted. Now let me show you. మీరు ఎలా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలో నేను చెప్తాను చూడండి. ఆర్ యు క్లియర్? టిల్ నౌ ఆర్ యు క్లియర్ సచి? మీరు ఆర్ యు క్లియర్? గుడ్. వాట్ యు గైస్ నీడ్ టు డూ, ఓపెన్ దిస్ గూగుల్ క్లాస్ రూమ్. You need to check. Yeah, PDF uploaded, running notes uploaded, zip file uploaded. Then close the laptop. No. You should know how to download actually. You should know how to download PDF. How you are downloading, sir? Click on this PDF. Sorry for kidding. You already know how to download. Go to the new tab. Then you can download actually. This is the way, this is the process. Follow the process. You never do the mistake. Process follow aithe mistakes cheyaru. Remember the steps gurtunchukondi like this. Same thing like that. You guys even need to download the zip file also. Click on this one. Most of the students are doing common mistake. Once they click on this one, they are clicking again actually. No, don't click that. Repeating again, open zip folder. Don't click on this one. Same process. అదే ప్రాసెస్ కి వెళ్ళండి. ఓపెన్ న్యూ ట్యాబ్. వెరీ గుడ్. దెన్ అగైన్ టెల్ మీ సార్. డౌన్లోడ్ ఆప్షన్. అదర్వైజ్ హియర్ యూ కెన్ సే డౌన్లోడ్ బటన్. యూ కెన్ డౌన్లోడ్. మీరు డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆస్కింగ్ వేర్ ఐ కెన్ డౌన్లోడ్ యాక్చువల్లీ. గో టు ద డెస్క్టాప్ అండ్ లెట్ మీ డౌన్లోడ్ ఇన్ డెస్క్టాప్. సార్ ఐ హ్యావ్ ఎ క్వశ్చన్. whenever you are downloading, what kind of file actually? Now students are doing mistake. This is directly they are copying in coding folder actually. No, what we need to do? Extract it. Cheppandi. Give a right click and extract here, and now Daniel, you got a folder. Now take this file. Exactly, take this file, go to coding and paste actually. Uppudu meer code rayali. I believe you understand. Meeku ardhamayindani anukuntunna. You understand, I guess. Sir, you need to copy sales 1, but not zip folder, but not what folder? Please, I request you. Did you understand? Meeku ardhamayinda? All right. That's it. That's the process. Anyway, so I thought we done today's session. 10:45. Today you guys do this. These are all practice actually. Did you remember? Coming Friday there is a special. What is that special? Group discussion. What are all the topics? Data structure, function, oops. Please prepare and you can come actually. And so boys and girls, I can divide group 1 and group 2. I will stand here and I will ask one by one, actually. One by one. A good discussion. The main motto for the group discussion is just to encourage you. Mimmల్ని encourage చేయడానికి. Even if you are giving wrong answers also, I will accept. Why? Because my main motto will be, sir, మీరు subject తో మాట్లాడాలి, అది నేర్చుకోవాలి. Talk with subject. Show your heroism towards the subject, actually. That helpful for you. అది మీకు ఎప్పుడు హెల్ప్ అవుతుందంటే, you don't know, once you entered into the company, what is the comparison? There are only 2 types of people in company. There are only 2 categories, not like a male and a female. First category will be, these are experts in subject. Next category, no subject. అలా ఉంటుంది అనమాట కంపెనీలో. యూ షుడ్ ఫాల్స్ ఇన్ టు ఫస్ట్ కేటగిరీ. మీరు ఫస్ట్ కేటగిరీలో ఉండాలి. ఎక్స్పర్ట్స్, వీఆర్ ఎక్స్పర్ట్స్ యాక్చువల్. కంపెనీలోకి ఎంటర్ అయిన తర్వాత మన ఇంకా చూసి ఎదుటి వాళ్ళు ఏమనుకుంటారంటే, ఏ డోంట్ టచ్ దట్ గాయ్, సబ్జెక్ట్లో ఎక్స్పర్ట్ అన్న, అలా ఉండాలి. వేరే వాళ్ళతో డిస్కషన్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది, ఈడు ఎప్పుడు సోదిగాడాడు, ఎప్పుడు ఐఎమ్ సారీ ఫర్ టెల్లింగ్, ఎప్పుడు సోది మాట్లాడతాడు అన్నట్టు ఉంటుంది. ఐఎమ్ సారీ ఫర్ కిడింగ్, రైట్? ప్లీజ్ మేక్ ఎ నోట్ ఆన్ దిస్. Can you repeat? Follow the process. So hope you understand. Done, Sarji. We done today's session online team. So please enjoy. Don't miss tomorrow's session. We'll connect again tomorrow.